Welcome back to ClearTask. If your Microsoft Word document is suddenly showing pages side by side and you want to get back to the normal vertical layout, here is the simple fix. In most modern versions of Word, this happens because of the page movement settings. Look at the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the View tab. Next, find the section labeled Page Movement. You will notice that Side to Side is currently selected. Simply click on Vertical. Your pages will immediately snap back to the standard vertical scroll. If your pages are still side by side, you might just be zoomed out in multiple pages view. Stay on the View tab and look for the Zoom section. Click on one page. Alternatively, you can just click the 100% button or use the zoom slider at the bottom right of your screen to zoom in. Any of these actions will restore your document to a single centered page. It is that easy. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense tech tutorials. See you in the next one.